clothes. Do you know who they are? Can you guess? Do you know who they are? Yeah. He is Charlie Chaplin and he is Hitler. Then, can you guess their job? Can you guess? Yeah, right. They are stewardess. Actually, I hide their faces. Even though I erase their faces, how did you know that? Maybe when you see their clothes, you can guess and you can know their job or who they are. Why do people wear the clothes? Actually, before, a long time ago, according to the Bible, Adam and Eve, they didn't wear any clothes. But as people began to feel their shame, people wore the clothes. But nowadays, people wear the clothes to show their before in the past, people wear the clothes to protect their body from the weather, like the cold or insect or animal attack, even weapons. But nowadays, people wear the clothes to show their power or money or their fashion. Clothes can show their our individual character. So I think clothes can show our character or individual unique fashion. But sometimes we wear the same clothes because we live in many groups. In the group, we sometimes wear the uniform. Uniform means uniform. The word uniform was made from Latin unus and forma. Unus means the one, and forma means form. So the word uniform means to make one. So when people wear the uniform, people can feel their bond of emotional bond or sense of belonging. Or uniform can show people's job or status. Or uniform can show the company's image. Like this, clothes has many positive things. But on the other hand, clothes has another aspect, like negative things. So before, people had another some experiment, or there is a story about the power of clothes. In 1906, in Berlin, an unknown captain came up to his soldiers. Actually, the soldiers didn't know him because he is a new captain. But they had to follow him because he is a captain. The captain commanded them to search the Köpenick City Hall. While even though the soldiers didn't know him, they had to follow and they had to search the city hall. While they were searching the city hall, the captain took the money and receipt and left the receipt for it, and suddenly disappeared. Actually, he was a fake. He was an imposter. His original job was shoes repairer. He is old. He is 57-year-old. He spent, in addition, he spent his half-life in jail for 26 years. Even though his appearance, his hairstyle, and his length of beard were against the rules, but many soldiers didn't know that, and everybody was deceived by him. Even though he is not a real captain, why didn't they notice that? Maybe this is because of his uniform, military uniform with captain badge. So at the time, the German newspaper said, all of us obey in front of the uniform. This is a good example to show the power of the clothes. So people called this incident the Captain Kaepernick scandal. He is a fake captain. His real name is this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So at the time, this event was very big event because he used the clothes to using people's mind for using the people's mind. And there is another example. We call this Milgram experiment. He is a Stanley Milgram. When he experiment, he recruited subject, and then he explained this experiment is to show the effect of the punishment on studying. In this experiment, there was 3 people in one room. One people act as a teacher, the other people act as a student, and other people is a supervisor. He is a Milgram wearing a white gown. In this experiment, whenever a student's answer was wrong, teacher had to give an electric shock to student. If a student said a wrong answer continuously, teacher had to set up the electric power continuously. At first, the teacher hesitated to give an electric shock. Whenever he hesitated, Supervisor Milgram forced them to give electric shock to the student. But later, even though another supervisor entered the room, the teacher gave the electric shock because they noticed supervisor wearing a white gown. In this experiment, the most important thing is white gown, because white gown means authority. Even 65% people push the button, the final shock, final